Good morning, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Also, if you're not in our brand new Discord group, then there is a link in the description below, I believe, and in the comments. Feel free to jump over into our Discord. We do have free channels. We have our paid channels as well, which we share our watch list, trading setups. We have some live video and chat rooms in there as well to talk everything trading. But yeah, if you're not a paying member, then we do have free channels as well. So feel free to jump on over there and join the community. Having a look at Bitcoin today, it's looking a little bit weak. We are in a daily downtrend. We did break this previous low, which was a level that was holding. We just smashed through that. I half expected some buying back up into this level before another rejection down to this next level. Will we get that? I'm just not sure. The 4-hour does look a little bit weak. It's just sideways. It doesn't know what it's doing, but we are seeing consecutive lower highs formed through here on the 4-hour. Let's have a look at the 1. And the 1, really shows that. So lower high, lower high, lower high. We don't really have any trends to work with, unfortunately. So there's nothing there on Bitcoin for me at the moment. One thing I do want to speak about is the S&P. Look at how weak that is. So daily chart, we've just had consecutive days of red candles. Now, for a market the size of the S&P, this is huge. These are huge sell-offs. A lot of that money looks to be converted into US dollar. US dollar's beginning to look a lot stronger. We do have a bit of a level through here that it is building up into. So we can expect to see if we do break that level and move to the upside and the US dollar becomes stronger, then we can see some red across traditionals and crypto markets as well. Ethereum on the daily time frame, nice daily downtrend. We don't really have a bearish candle in that cradle zone. But it is looking bearish, much the same as Bitcoin, a series of lower highs coming in there. So it does look a little bit weak and that we may have another move to the downside. But again, we just read what the charts are telling us. And at the moment, there's no trends for us really to trade on Ethereum. Balancer. This daily time frame, do have high, 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 low, broken the previous high. So we are in a daily uptrend. Which is quite odd for the market that we're in at the moment. There's a lot of red and a lot of weakness, but the time frame that I'm watching is the 1-hour time frame where we do have a trend broken up through that level, pulling back. If we do get a nice bullish candle off that level and off a $7 round number as well, I definitely want to know about it. So that's an option to the long side if you're that way inclined. BSV has a nice level to the downside. We are trending, so we need to see that break and retest of this level to the downside if that's to set up. DeFi is another one that was trending nicely, lower low, lower high. We need that solid break of this level and then a push back up to retest that level. That will give us a nice cradle trade off a level. StormX is, what was that? It was on the higher time frame. No, the daily. StormX on the daily, nice bearish candle there in the cradle zone. I know it's not the most bearish candle that we've ever seen, but it's there. And what I like about this is that it's given us a little bit of wiggle room before we'd get entered into that trade. So it's in the list. I'm just keeping an eye on that and we'll see if that does set up. YFII or DeFi money is back in the cradle zone on that daily time frame. Nice pullback, bearish candle in that cradle zone, which is lovely. But it's this 1-hour time frame that I was watching. We've had numerous tests through here. We've got a nice level. We need to see a break and a retest of that level, and that will give us a lower low, lower high, a lower low, and then another lower high backed by a level. Not really a round number, but it's a level nonetheless. Zcash, very similar to DeFi money. Nice lower low and a lower high. We've made a new lower low. We need that pullback off that level. Let's have a look at the 30. Yeah, the 30. It needs to be the 30 of the 1-hour time frame. That's where the trends are. Yeah, so that's the list for the FTX pairs. Like I said, S&P is looking very weak. US dollar is looking quite strong. it's let's see. You know, I could definitely be proven wrong, and the whole crypto market could just push higher. So who knows? Hey Robbie, Rhys, how about Ron Perp daily 10 a.m. close today? Let's have a look at Ron Perp. Yeah, so Ron Perp did pull back nicely into that cradle zone, nice bearish candle. This was what I didn't like about it, was a test here, and an obvious rejection of this level. So to get your 1-to-1, it would be yeah, it would be well after that level and that rejection. So that's what kept me out of Ron Perp. It's just, yeah, it's a solid level through here that it has rejected a few times in the past, and it's in the way of getting our target. So that's what kept me out of that one. There are a number of tokens that do look like this, quite good on the daily, down, you know, trending downwards. But yeah, this is the list that I'll be keeping an eye on. If you are in the community, we will keep you updated. All good, all good. All right, well, I hope you all have a great day. Hopefully these trades set up and give us some opportunities to trade today. If not, yeah, we'll see how those dailies go. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll chat to you soon.